Hello guys and welcome back. So now it's time to work inside this wallpaper view. Okay, so if you noticed that these wallpapers that we picked from the gallery don't have a description, don't have a prompt. Okay, so but if you pick the generated wallpaper, we can see that you are displaying the prompt here. Okay, the user can read even more. Okay, that's our special widget that we created. Okay, so let's work inside here. First, let's get for on these two buttons, okay, so that we can download and set the wallpaper. So for that, we're gonna need packages. Okay, so let's go on ahead and get the packages and install all the required packages. Let's minimize this and then let's go in the pub.dev. We can minimize that, and then here we can search for image gallery saver. Okay, so here I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, image gallery saver plus. Let's click on it, and then we can go on installation and then copy this. We can come back to our application, go inside pubs.yml file, and then paste that. Let's go back there and see what we need to configure here. So if we come down here, gonna find this one for iOS. So here, this NS photo library add usage description, this is the only one that we need. Okay, let's copy this one, and then for the NS photo library usage, we've already added this while we're on adding that image picker library. Okay, so let's go back here and then come back up here in the iOS runner, then info.plist. So you can see that we already have that NS photo library usage up here. Okay, so let's just below that, let's paste that one that we got in. Okay, because this one, the description is already there. If you want, you can change this description. Okay, that's gonna be it for iOS. Let's go back and check. Yeah, that's it for iOS. Now if you go to the Android side, we just need to add this permission into our application. Okay, so let's copy this up to here. Actually, we only need these inside because we have other things in the application. So once we copy that, we can go back to the application, and then first let's close this and save it. And then let's go up. We can minimize this, open Android app source main.dat. Now if we come back here, we can put that even just on top here. Okay, we can paste that there. Okay, this is going to be inside the application tag here. Okay, we need to remove this application, is that same, we just need to add it from here like that. Okay, and then that's it. If we go back here, we can see that the configuration is done. This is just how to set it up. We're gonna need these later on. Okay, so next we need to look for, let me look for it here. Let's search for it here. We saw that we can leave this open. Next we're gonna need the wallpaper manager. Okay, wallpaper manager. Okay, so here, even this one, I'm going to use this wallpaper manager plus. I think this is what I will use. Okay, so let me click on this one first. Let me go back. I'd like to like these packages that I use. Okay, so because I like that one, yeah, I think I need this one. Okay, let me also just give it a like. So this one also, first let's go to installation, and then let's copy that, and then go back to the application. We come down on the pubs.yml file, then paste that, and then let's go back to the browser, check on the readme. Now let's see what we need here. Okay, so it does not specify here that there is some permissions that we need. Okay, but I know that we're gonna need some permission if we want to download. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly paste the permission that we need for Android. Okay, so let's go back, and then in the manifest here we're gonna need to paste some permission up here. So let me just paste them for you. So down here I'm gonna paste these 3 permissions. Okay, these ones. So just copy these permissions and then also put them in the manifest here. Okay, now we can close this, save, and then here let's get some more packages because we want to be downloading the images as well. Okay, so let's go back here, and then this one. Okay, we want to get another package called HTTP. Okay, let's get this one. Right, surprisingly I haven't liked this one also. Let me just like it. So let's go on installation and then copy that. We need to go back here and then paste that. Now we need another package, so let's go here, and then here what package do we need is going to be the dial. Okay, let's get inside this package. This one, let's also give it a like. I'm gonna copy that, then come back here and then paste that. What else? I think that's it. Okay, maybe let me also add the time ago package because I'm going to use that when we get to the comment section. Okay, time ago. Oh yeah, maybe we're gonna get this later on because we haven't gotten to that stage yet. Okay, I think that's about it because we've also done the configuration. Now let's go on ahead and save it. Let's just wait for it to finish saving. Looks like all the packages installed successfully. We can close that. Now let's just try to run the application and see if it won't give us any error. Okay, because sometimes there are some conflicts with the packages version. Okay, so let's just wait for it to run. All right, the application is successfully running, which means our packages are successfully installed. Okay, so I'm going to end this video right here. We've just installed some packages. In the next videos, we're going to start with our functionalities here. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.